Good morning. My name is Angel May Cortez Mata, and I am from BTB TED 2H. There are four phases of growth, bacterial growth, and these are the lag phase or exponential phase, stationary phase, and death phase. But first, let's talk about what is bacterial growth and how it grows. Bacterial growth is the increase in the number of bacterial cells in a system when proper nutrients and environment are provided. Bacterial species divide through the binary fission and exponentially double their population over time. However, after the exhaustion of nutrients and disturbance in the aerobic condition, their growth stagnates and declines. Thus, the growth of bacterial cells is represented by the four phases. It is the lag phase, exponential or lag phase, stationary phase, and the death phase. During the lag phase, the cells gear up for their next phase. Then they try to settle in the provided environment. However, they do not increase in the cell number. While in the lag phase, the cells begin to actively divide through the binary fission and double their numbers. And the third one is the stationary phase. During stationary phase, bacterial cells switch to survival mode, metabolic activity slow down. So does the development of peptidoglycan layer, making them less susceptible or antibiotics. And the last one is the death phase. At the death phase, the nutrients are exhausted and too much waste material has accumulated. Thus, this unfavorable condition leads to the death of the cells. And the number of cells grown in the system can be determined using bacteria enumeration techniques like the plate count method, direct cell count, or indirect cell counting methods. And that's all, and thank you.